This video is about loading GINT projects, and specifically 2D GINT projects. Here I am in my GINT Civil Tools project. If I load my access my database connectivity, my dialog box opens. I can load a GINT project or a SQL Server. We're going to stay with the GINT project. You do have to choose your GINT project that you want to access. The library is optional. We are going to leave it blank for now. Clicking over onto point, you can see it loaded best guess efforts based upon the information in the table for the point table, and these were actually correct. Borehole orientation is optional. I can load other properties, and we discussed this in another video. And we will be discussing the hyperlink properties in another video. The other thing we can do here is actually select a different cell. So you can select here a default cell for all boreholes. Or if you wish, you can actually change it so that based upon properties you know that exist, we can change the graphic or the symbology. And here you can see I am putting in 3 qualities because I know my sample project. So I have, if it contains BH, do this symbol. If it contains HB for historic, use this symbol, and if it contains an EN, then use this final symbol. We say OK. Here you can see that here you can see that the database connection is opened. So if I click on Query All, I can review and select specific boreholes, or if I simply select Retrieve, all boreholes are selected. Here you can see my boreholes have been loaded, and if I zoom in, I have different borehole types for different elements. If I right click, you can see the name and the level that they are on. So this is BH, that is HB. If I select a borehole, you can see the properties are listed here, including the source, northing and easting, elevation, and hole depth. This is based upon the information I imported from gINT. This is true for any borehole that I would select. Here I have multiple boreholes selected, so you can see the properties vary. And there we go back to just one.